Going on, guys? It's Tyler here with Pacific Northwest Trails FPV, and today we're going to be making a man cave. Now, I've been trying to figure out how I'm going to actually put all this footage into an actual video for you guys, because there's so much that I want to actually include, just because I want you guys to see it and see the process in case, you guys actually get this opportunity to have your own man cave. So I figured, what better way to throw all this footage that I want to include into one video than make a time lapse. So here we go. There we go. Now you guys see the gist of it, and there are lots of projects that I want to do in here between LED lighting, and you can kind of see the start of a tiny whoop track with some straws that we're trying out, and a bunch of little projects that I'll make sure to get it all on video. But there's still a couple hours of daylight left, and we got some packs charged, so let's go grab some.
Ready now, I ain't gonna fall back. I'm alright, I'm take it on me, baby. Alright, I ever ask, you gonna be my lover tonight. I take it with me. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends, and they hold your hands, baby. Never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends, and they hold your hands, baby. Never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends, and they hold your hands, baby. Never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends, and they hold your hands, baby. Never mind. Alright, I'm ready now. I ain't gonna stop right now. Alright, I take it on me, ooh, baby. Alright, I ever ask, do you wanna see my fire tonight? Take it with me, ooh, baby. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends, and they hold your hands, baby. Never mind. If I left, then it made no sense. And you tell your friends, and they hold